and welcome along to Transfer Talk.
Yeah, this has emerged at Sky Sports News in the past half an hour or so. And
can any of you see ever playing for Manchester United again? Because I can, you know.
I think it's gone too far now. I think, like you mentioned, there's been that apology and that wait for an apology that hasn't come. The only way I think it would be realistic, and then he could come back under a new manager and maybe reignite his career at Manchester United that way. But I think for the short term, until the end of the season, it feels like a good decision. And I'm not saying, by the way, I'm not having any indication on his managerial position. I'm just saying that's probably the only realistic option if there's a change in manager, because the relationship between the two of them is completely broken down.
Comme tout lion, Mason. Comme tout lion.
Écris-les pas là-bas.
Mason. Mec, c'est n'importe quoi. La humeur, c'est n'importe quoi. Fais un check.
Il y a des choses.
Manchester United are once again at the center of global football headlines as sensational rumors link Marcus Rashford and Mason Greenwood with a dramatic return to Old Trafford under a possible Michael Carrick-led era. Although no official confirmation has been made, the speculation has already sparked huge debates among fans and pundits worldwide.
For me, that's
Rashford is viewed as the leader who can restore passion, identity, and world-class attacking quality to the squad. Greenwood's rumored involvement remains one of the most controversial and divisive topics in football, creating intense discussions across social media. At the heart of these reports is Michael Carrick, a figure many supporters trust to rebuild the club with youth development, tactical discipline, and exciting attacking football. Could this be the beginning of a new era that returns Manchester United to glory, or is it another rumor that will disappear? One thing is certain: Old Trafford is once again the center of football drama.